Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Nordea Review My Usage Experience. Nordea Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing your personal Nordea banking activity. It's aimed at Nordea customers who want to track their spending, analyze their financial habits, and potentially identify areas for savings. Key features likely include transaction history viewing, categorization of expenses, and potentially budgeting tools. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website highlights the service's ease of use and aims for complete transparency regarding your financial data. They emphasize secure access and data protection. While direct comparisons to competitors aren't readily available on their site, the focus seems to be on providing a clear and concise overview of your Nordea transactions, rather than advanced financial planning tools. Availability is limited to existing Nordea customers with online banking access. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Nordea Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly simple. I just logged into my existing Nordea online banking account and found the review section easily. The interface is clean and intuitive. I especially appreciated the ability to filter transactions by date, category, and amount. I used it to track my holiday spending. It was really useful to see exactly where my money went. The performance was consistently reliable. I never experienced any glitches or delays in loading data. I had a quick question about categorizing certain transactions, and their support responded within 2 days via email, which I thought was perfectly acceptable. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to understand my spending patterns at a glance. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download my transaction data in a CSV file for further analysis in a spreadsheet. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I found myself having to use my laptop to access the review section. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Nordea Review My Usage Experience. It's a valuable tool for anyone wanting a clear picture of their Nordea banking activity. That's my overview of Nordea Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.